Hello, today we are going to start with the first lesson of class 7 General Science, Nutrition in Plants. In this lesson, we are going to study about the different modes of nutrition in plants. So we have learned that food is essential for all living organisms. The components of food, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, are called nutrients. All living organisms require these nutrients and plants can make their food themselves. But animals, including human, cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, human and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. Plants can make or prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. The raw materials are present in their surrounding. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their body, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their body and provide the energy to carry out life processes. This mode of nutrition, in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances, is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic, this word means self-nourishment. Plants carry out photosynthesis in their leaves and other green parts of their body. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of the leaves in the presence of sunlight use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize or to make carbohydrates. The process is represented in a form which is called an equation, where we write carbon dioxide plus water and then we put an arrow where we write sunlight and chlorophyll. And in the right side we write down carbohydrate and oxygen. Now, in this process, the material or the raw material that is required comes essentially from the surrounding of the plant itself. The first raw material, that is water, along with minerals, are present in the soil. This water is absorbed by roots and transferred to the leaves by the vessels. These vessels are called xylem. The vessels run like pipe through the roots, stems and branches and reaches the leaf. The other raw material, which is called carbon dioxide, is a gas. This carbon dioxide is present in the air. So, carbon dioxide from the air is taken in through the tiny pores called stomata, which are present on the surface of the leaves. The third and the essential part which is required for photosynthesis is chlorophyll. The chlorophyll are the green pigments or green color present in the leaves that help to capture the energy of the sunlight for photosynthesis. The energy which is obtained from sunlight is called solar energy. It is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Now, one may ask, where is the food factory of plants located? So, what will be the answer? The food factory of the plant is the leaf. So, can we imagine life on earth in the absence of photosynthesis? In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not be any food. The survival of almost all living organisms, directly or indirectly, depends upon the food made by plants. Besides oxygen, which is essential for survival of all organisms, which is produced during photosynthesis. In the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on earth. So, if we want to take some examples of autotrophic plants, we can say mango tree, green grass or any other plant which you see in your surroundings. Now, the next question is, there are some plants you have seen in the garden. Generally, they are called crotons. These plants have colorful leaves. So do they carry out photosynthesis? This can be found out using the performance of iodine test. In class 6, you have studied about iodine test to find out the presence of starch in the food. Same way, we can check whether starch is present in the leaf by the iodine test. Okay, so in today's class, we studied about autotrophic nutrition and the importance of photosynthesis. In next period, we are going to study about the heterotrophic nutrition of plants. Thank you.